One time for the small towns, one time for the new age blue collar crowd. One time for the one horse town with the jacked up truck bumping hip hop loud. One time for a Ford, one time for a Dodge, one time for a bow tie Chevy. Me, I was heating up springs in a Dusty 620 with a motherfucking Memphis 12 bang. Young troubadour wanna rap now. Tennessee born in the weed cloud. Five brothers rolling six string in the Telly V8 running through the fucking whole town. Yeah, my style is so red, Dead Redemption got Billy the Kid getting resurrected. Then riding the horse to the west with henchmen. Shotgun blast to the bank, I'm hit ass. Who? Anybody wanna come gunsling? Just know a little grace don't faze me. You're gonna need a silver bullet and a wooden stake to kill the venom in my motherfucking fake teeth. Bite down, shot at you and like a Billy Goat. Whitey right here used to bump the first gorilla so beat steady knocking like a meth head on my stuff. Yeah, I fucking kill you, that's real not tough. American flag in the front yard. 8-foot fence, yeah, I built my own wall. I learned my shit from Young Jeezy and Paul Wall. And the top 10 country songs, that's raw. Like a cone that don't burn right, they cannot handle. I sign checks, not deals on the table. That's why when I look, they just turn away cameras. Don't sleep up and get mentally manhandled. Savages a chandelier made of nothing but axe handles. J. Cole gave me more goals with rap heads on fireman. And I'm a hunt like I haven't since never. Stomach so empty, I digest blood vessels. One shot, two shot, high caliber with a long barrel, 360 no scope, headshot, no compare. I can see through the bullshit with a broken VR system duct taped to my power line jug head. Everybody mad cause my ugly ass getting views, and my film guy got the brand new red with the case full of lenses and a mind full of skill set. 40 different views of me saying fuck you, bitch. Hope you see my middle finger, 8K upload. I'ma be around till the YouTube button is grown mode, till the country ain't here, till the water soaks up, till there ain't a pot to piss in or addicted piss to pop up. Square dance known hip hop, like Harlem Shake in the fucking dot bar. Double line times of karate chop you with cover and hard bars. Have the shit I have you give an arm and a leg for. That's why my shoulders fucked up and I walk with a limp, boy. Tennessee type, no number, no helmet. I just find curse a lot, yeah, and that netty. George straight up rocking the guitar, god damn it. ADHD, I refuse my pills, cause it blocks the part of my brain withholding my skills. So I stay up hella late with the surgeon pill. Y'all search coochie and titties, I'm searching pyramids. I think I got an idea. Only writers block I see is this iPhone right here. You can dive on my notes like an old school desk. Probably got a Kingslayer written for you in blood smear. Dip this pen and extract the plasma. Casket magic's what I'm fucking actually after. Call me the grave digger with the legend status. And if it means going hard, watch me stiff and faster like an 18-year-old. First time in a strip club, I go hard, I don't even need a dick rub. Before you say I ain't allowed in your clique, bruh, so I got my own and the door's always